Hello everyone, this is Dr. Anuprita Gandhi Bhatt, cataract surgeon and medical retina specialist, Arunoday Eye Clinic and Surgical Center, Pune, Wakad. Today I am going to talk about customized cataract surgery with premium IOLs. What is customized cataract surgery and what are premium IOLs? आजकल पाया जाता है कि कैटरैक्ट कई सारे यंग जनरेशन में भी आ गया है एंड ऑल्सो द ओल्डर जनरेशन नाउ वांट स्पेक्टेकल फ्री लाइफ. So let me tell you what those two things are about. So whenever we do a scan of your eye, we understand the basic parameters of your eye. So we understand, we see for 3 to 4 parameters. What is your pupil size? What are your keratometric value? What are your aberrations? So higher order aberrations and lower order aberrations. Once we get to know all of that, we put 1 plus 1 together and then decide about the cataract surgery. I'm talking about a customized cataract surgery. Now, what is a customized cataract surgery? As I told you, that there are patients who want spectacle free life and at the same time they want the clarity of the vision which was there at their age of 20 years. So this is how we put 1 plus 1 together and calculate the different lens types. Now, what are the different lens types? There are trifocal lenses, there are bifocal lenses, there are extended depth of focus lenses, and there are advanced monofocal. All of these lenses come into premium IOL category. Now let us first talk about advanced monofocal. So what advanced monofocal does, it gives you distance vision as well as a little bit of intermediate vision. It also clears around N8 to N10 of your near vision. So उसका मतलब क्या है कि जब भी ये लेंस कैटरैक्ट सर्जरी के बाद आप ये आंख के अंदर डालोगे तो मोर और लेस आपका लेंस के ऊपर का डिपेंडेंसी कम हो जाता है. Then there are these trifocal lenses. Now, what are the trifocal lenses? When we cover all the 3 focuses of your eye. So, what are the 3 focuses, most important focuses that we require for our functioning? Distance, intermediate and near. So, when we put these lenses, I'm going to show you a trifocal lens. So, it is usually like this. It has circles over it. So, each zone acts as a different refractive area. So, when we put these kind of lenses in your eyes, you don't require spectacle to see anything. So you are totally spectacle free. Now, what is customization or what customization comes in here? So if the keratometric values show that you have a cylindrical number, then we put something called as trifocal toric. So we also take your toricity into consideration so that you don't have aberrations. कई सारे बार ऐसे होता है कि initially when the patient comes for the counseling, we really are not aware if there is keratometric values are having cylinder or not. Only once we do the scan we know. So कई सारे patients ऐसे बोलते हैं कि आप पहले ही क्यों नहीं बताते हैं कि टोरिक है, स्कैन के बाद ही क्यों बताते हैं, मुझे चश्मे में तो टोरिक नंबर नहीं था, सिलेंड्रिकल नंबर नहीं था. तो the keratometric values and the spectacle values may not go hand in hand. So there are times when आपको टोरिक lenses जो मल्टीफोकल में है या जो एडवांस मोनोफोकल में है वो भी लग सकते हैं. देर आर ऑल्सो सम बाइफोकल lenses which are available. Bifocal lenses take care of the distance and near vision, but now those lenses we are not much promoting because now it is seen that the most important vision is the intermediate vision. Intermediate vision is when you're sitting here, what is at the computer, or घड़ी में कितना, what's the time, or anything from 40 to 60 centimeter is called as intermediate vision. So that is where more of these premium lenses come into the picture. So now it is very much possible to remove your spectacle totally with the premium IOL and a customized cataract surgery. So if you want to go ahead with this, please consult your doctor, go through the necessary scans which are required, because if you want to go for a customized cataract surgery, we need to know all the parameters that I have told before and then go for this surgery. Thank you.